In a significant leak, the Taiwanese NCC regulatory agency, equivalent to the FCC, has revealed new photos, battery sizes, and charging speeds for the entire Google Pixel 9 series. Among the highlights are the first clear images of the eagerly awaited Pixel 9 Pro Fold, showcasing its crease and confirming the relocation of the inner selfie camera to the screen's corner. The new square camera arrangement, replacing the Pixel series' distinctive long camera bar, has also been confirmed. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold stands out with its slimmer design compared to the original Pixel Fold, featuring reduced bezels and a less noticeable crease. The inner selfie camera has been moved to the screen's corner. One leaked image shows the phone lying completely flat, indicating it can be fully opened, unlike the first-generation Fold. According to the NCC reports, the Pixel 9 series will also feature improved charging speeds. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is listed with a charging speed of 32.67 watt, suggesting support for at least 35-watt charging, a notable upgrade from the Pixel 8 Pro's 30-watt charging capacity. A new 45-watt Google-branded charging brick has been revealed. Battery sizes for the Pixel 9 models are as follows: Pixel 9 to 270 mAh, Pixel 9 Pro 4,955 mAh, Pixel 9 Pro XL 5,100 mAh, Pixel 9 Pro Fold 4,500 mAh. The NCC reports also detail the radio support for the Google Pixel 9 series, with all models certified for Thread. However, the base Pixel 9 lacks UWB, which is included in the other variants. Furthermore, images of prototypes for the entire Google Pixel 9 series have been leaked, providing a comprehensive preview of the upcoming devices. Although these details are unofficial and subject to change, they offer an enticing glimpse into Google's next generation of Pixel phones. The anticipation for the Made by Google event continues to build. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, remember to give a like to the video and subscribe to the channel. And I see you in the next video. Peace out.